Should you learn Python or JavaScript? Watch this video till the end to find out. Each language will be compared based off 4 factors. Each to learn, popularity, use cases and speed. So let's begin with the first one. Both the languages are very beginner friendly and both have really readable and understandable code. So let's move on to popularity and community. Both languages are incredibly popular. While JavaScript on one hand is used on 98% of the world's website, Python too is really popular with a massive community and many beginners trying to learn it every day. But according to some sources, Python does have an edge over JavaScript in the size of its community, but you will still find good and high quality JavaScript tutorials and content. Now thirdly, we have use cases. JavaScript is mainly used to develop web apps, but it can also be used to develop mobile apps and server-side applications. Common uses for Python, on the other hand, are AI, data science, machine learning and backend web development. On to speed, Python is slower than JavaScript and gets a lot of hate because of its speed. Which one you choose depends on what you want to do. If you want to build something like web applications, choose JavaScript. But if data science and machine learning is what you want to do, choose Python. If you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing because you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.